Hey guys, Tech Savvy Dude here, back with another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's roll the intro. Alright, so I pre-ordered this from Apple a week ago, and it just showed up a couple minutes ago. The model I got, for anyone curious, is the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB Graphite. I'm a Sprint user. I got this with Apple Care Plus damage protection. So I'm going to remove it from the packaging. Be ever so careful not to damage anything. So here's the box itself. There's all the information on the back with the barcodes specific to my iPhone. So without further ado, I'm gonna peel this wrapping and lift up the lid, revealing first the iPhone 12 Pro Max in all of its glory. We will set that aside. And here we have the USB-C to Lightning cable and this little pamphlet, which includes a SIM card tool, information, and one Apple sticker. Pretty cool stuff, very simple unboxing. Now I'll give you a close-up of me peeling off the little screen protection. Here it is. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Hello. Swipe to open. We'll do English, United States. I will set up manually in this instance. We're going to connect it to my Wi-Fi network. Now I should be all connected to Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. That's no problem. Okay, confirm your phone number. Yes, that's my phone number. It's going to try and activate. PIN. Let's punch in what I believe to be my cellular PIN. So I guess that PIN worked. We'll just let it do its thing here. Data and privacy, continue. Face ID, let's set that up. First Face ID scan complete. I'll do that again. Second Face ID scan complete. Face ID is now set up. Create a passcode. Apps and data. For now, I'm not going to transfer any. I'll punch in my Apple ID. Verification code. I'll find that on my watch. Terms and conditions, agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Cool. Express settings. Some people like to hit continue. I will just hit customize. I want to keep my iPhone up to date. That's cool. Location services enable.
Apple Pay, continue. I'll actually set that later. Wallet. Use Siri. Ask Siri, okay. I don't want to share audio recordings. Screen time will set up. I won't share my analytics. True tone display. Appearance, dark mode all the way for me. Display zoom, I like to keep it standard. Welcome to iPhone. There we have it. That's the unboxing and setup of the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256 gigabyte Graphite. Yes, we'll use that. Now all that's left to do is grab my case. I like the UAG Monarch. I used it on my iPhone 10. I decided why not go with that again. I got it in the carbon fiber finish, which I really like. So all that's left to do, pop it in the case, and there we have it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like as well as subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.